Hi everyone! Today I wanted to show you an ephemera kit I made. It's available in my Etsy shop. It's called Magically Vintage and I cut out the pieces and I wanted to show you a close-up of all the pieces. I printed the background on the back of every sheet and cut them out and inked the edges. So let's go and see all the pieces. This is a mandrake sheet. All the moon phases. Oh, focus. Focus. Come on. There we go. Oh, and there are 3 tarot cards. Some calendars I made, so you can put them in your journals or your scrapbooking. So it's the date and the month, and you can circle what you want. I cut them out, but if you have a 2-inch circle punch, you can punch them out. Small journaling spot. Some runes. And then there are the potion labels I made. There are from Harry Potter, the names and the places, obviously. I used old bottle labels and altered them to fit potions. These are the sizes that you will get when you print it, but you can always enlarge the photo and make the labels bigger if you want them bigger. So, this is the Ephemera Kit Magically Vintage. I hope you enjoyed. I have a link to my Etsy shop in the description below. And thanks for watching and bye!